Guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I want to show you how to make bread pudding. I found these stale bread, guys, that been just sitting around and nobody's eating them, so I'm gonna make some bread pudding for you guys. I mean, you can have spices in there. I'm gonna use cinnamon, nutmeg, mixed spice. You can use nuts or you can use some fruits. I'm gonna use some fruits that I've been soaking for some time now. And guys, listen, this is another way you can use up what you have and not waste anything, right? The kids are home, everybody needs snack, and they might eat on the plate. So why not use what you have and make something like a dessert that everybody can enjoy? If it's it that you don't want to bake it in a bread like a baking tin, you can always use those single serving ramekin, you know, dish that you can put it in and just serve it after dinner. Alright, so stay tuned, let me show you how I bake mine. Alright guys, to make bread pudding, it's normally recommended that you use a day-old bread, or if it's it that you don't have any day-old bread, you can always dry out the bread in the oven, right? So the aim is to get them in some nice small size. So what you see I doing here is just to remove the edge of the bread. You can always use it, it's just a personal preference. Now guys, remember you can use basically any bread that you have available to you. English bread, dinner rolls, any bread that you have available to you. To not waste them, you can make bread pudding. And for like a typical bread pudding, right, they use condensed milk. Now we're not going to use any condensed milk, so I'm going to show you the milk that I feel comfortable using. This is just some whole wheat bread that I find. Alright guys, so this is the milk that I'm going to use. I find that it's a bit more richer than the regular soy milk or coconut milk. If you have condensed coconut milk, you can use it as well. I don't have that in my area, so I'm going to use this one. What I'm going to do is to warm it up, and then I come right back and show you the other steps. First up, we're going to dissolve the sugar. What I did was to use 1.5 cups of sugar, right? So I did not have enough sugar, so that's why I found some sugar in the fridge that I added cinnamon to when I was doing that cinnamon roll. So that's what I'm going to use in this. And our butter. Adding also our egg replacer. Our mixed spice. And salt, just a pinch of salt or 2 pinch, right? Not forgetting our vanilla and our almond essence. Alright, so we're going to add the liquid to the bread. And yes, you'll hear the bread sucking up all of that goodness. That is definitely what we want to hear. And at this time, you can go ahead and preheat your oven, guys. Alright guys, what I did was to use 3 tablespoons of soaked fruits. What I did was to soak all of my fruits in one go, right? So you just add it to the bread pudding to your desired amount. What we're going to do now is to just pour it out in the pan, in your grease pan, right? We're going to bake this at 180 degrees, 30 to 45 minutes, alright? Hi guys, sorry to disrupt your regular viewing. I just want to tell you how grateful I am for all of you. Our channel has surpassed 1,000 subscribers, and it would not have been possible without the help and support of you guys. Thank you so much for watching our content. Thank you for all the feedback and support, guys. Now let's get back to our video. There you have it, guys. Our bread pudding has fully baked, and may I tell you, my house smells so nice. Now a quick baking tip here, guys. When you're baking, whatever it be, pudding or cake, you want to ensure that you insert a skewer in the middle of the cake, that is the thicker part, just to make sure it comes out dry. Whenever it comes out dry, the cake or pudding is perfect to go. Also, guys, to prevent sticking of cake to baking pan, you want to make sure you grease the pan properly. Whether it is you use butter and flour or cooking spray, you want to make sure that all of the surface is properly covered to prevent sticking, right? And the things also you want to remember after baking, please guys, remember to remove the cake after 15 minutes from the pan. If you don't, the cake will continue to sweat underneath, and the cake will also stick to the pan when you're removing it. All right, so that's a quick baking tip for you guys. I hope you appreciate. So right now I'm gonna slice it and show you guys. It's pretty hot here, but I want to slice it because every time I bake something for you guys, I don't remember ever slicing it on camera. And also, whenever you're baking any form of pudding, usually a sauce is required. So what I did was to reduce the milk, the same milk that I use to bake it. I just reduce it with a little cornstarch just to get a little sauce, but I won't be using it on the entire cake, just for you guys. All right, I have to take my time because it is warm enough and I don't want it to break. Well, hopefully it don't break. And I'm telling you, oh my god, it is so hot. Why? It is hot, guys. It is hot. There you have it, guys, our bread pudding. If you give this recipe a try, guys, please let me know. Let me just put a little sauce on it so you guys can see. And just to be fancy, a little confection of sugar. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.